Hello everyone, I'm Bhavesh. In this video, we will see engineering tool, how to use them. Okay, for that, I'm going to create one body. I'll create a rectangle. I'll extrude it. Okay. I'll give thickness as 50. Okay. First, first tool in engineering group is hole. Okay, so select hole. Now placement, where you want to place your hole on this surface. Okay, these are two reference point. One is this and another reference point is this. Just drag it up to the reference plane. Okay, and let's suppose I want hole from this surface at 50 mm, and from center plane it should be 50 again. So 50, and now we'll have hole here. You can change diameter from here. Let's suppose diameter is 20. Then we can click 20, and here you can see a hole. Here you have some more options like standard, right? Right, and here are three type. Which three type do you want? ISO, UNC, and UNF. Let's suppose ISO. I want M18 point M18 into 2, right? So here you can see a hole, but this hole is very small. Why? Because this is in mm, right? And hole dimension are in inch. For that, what we'll do, go to the file, prepare, model properties, right? And units. Here you can see inch. Change it to the mm, like millimeter, kilogram, second. Set, and click this interpret dimension. What? For what? Because 1 inch will become 1 mm, and say OK. Close, close. And now again go to the hole, select this plane, this surface, this plane, both we entered in previous example 50-50. So again we will give dimension as a 50, and now we are going to giving standard ISO and M 18 into 2 like previous example, and now we can see, right? So this is tool, hole tool. Okay, another is round. This is used to do fillet on the edges like this. You can select all edges at a time. For that, press a control key and select the edge, right? And here you can insert radius as, let's suppose, 15. Okay, and here we have, right? Okay, let's suppose I want round on all edges at a time. Click on round, click on this edge, and here we have. Same thing we'll do with this edge also. Click on it, and here we'll have. Okay, next is chamfer. For that we should have edge, so we'll delete this round, delete it, and now select chamfer, click on this edge, select all the edges to which you want to chamfer, like this. You can select this also, right? In chamfer we have options like distance to distance, angle to distance. Let's suppose we select angle 30 and distance 10. This distance is 10. This, sorry, from the previous edge and this new edge distance is 10 and this angle is 30, right? Here you can see 30. So this was chamfer. Another is shell. Just click the plane and here you have shell. Here you can insert thickness. Okay, this is shell. If you want to create a rib, you can select profile rib and now select a plane. Okay, perpendicular and now draw a line like this and say okay. And now here we'll have rib, right? Thickness is, let's suppose 10. This is how you can use rib command. To use draft command, select one plane. This is our upper surface and now just drag it and here you can see you can make it in both directions by dragging the point. Again you can click here, okay, press to this and now you can drag, click on, click here and now you can drag this also, right? So this was small introduction to engineering group. We'll see all this in editing group also. We will see in directly tutorials. In next video we will have 4 to 5 tutorials in which we will use all the command which we have seen so far. Okay, so please watch upcoming videos to get the knowledge and how to implement the command which you have seen so far. Okay, thank you.